we went out of our way to make sure nothing like this would happen. That sword was beyond reach.
Her safety
is out of arm's
first.
reach. You can't grab it. I don't.
Why would she even think to grab the sword and not think about her
grab
hand?
the sword?
Your Honor, if the sword is a dangerous weapon, I mean, it came
It's
falling
50
down.
But did you grab it?
High.
I did go to grab the sword.
Why?
Well,
Why did
I
anyone
didn't
grab
know
the
it was.
sword?
I thought it was fake.
How's she to know that this sword is real?
Well, there's a plaque. It states the battle. It's from the 12th century. It was used
Now,
in
your
actual
husband
battle.
just said it's up high, though. How's she going to see that
Well, the
plaque?
plaque is
She's been here
placed
2
at eye
years.
level.
Did you see the plaque?
I did see the plaque, but not replicas have plaques.
So you saw the plaque.
But I've never.
What does the
paid-
plaque
I mean,
say,
the
Mr.
sword.
Moretti?
It just authenticates the sword.
Right.
It says this is in fact an authentic 12th century battle sword.
I don't see anything on there about authentic or this is a real sword or you're going to get your hand sliced if you get near it.
But
No.
she's been there so long, she knows.
Miss Fisher, when you saw this plaque, what did you think it was talking about?
It's just something special, a replica of something
Very
special.
special. It's the
But
centerpiece
I
of our
don't know.
collection.
That doesn't tell me anything other than that.
It singles it out. It indicates that
We
it's the
don't
most
walk
special
through
thing in
pe-
our
yeah,
restaurant, which is like a museum. You don't go around grabbing blades on anything in a museum, whether it's real or not.
So, Miss Fisher, you are asking this court to give you an award for $50,000 in medical expenses, right?
That is correct.
Describe what you recall of your medical treatment.
In the palm of my hand, the tendons were so damaged they had to be repaired. My fingers are like this, which I obviously can't show you. And you know what, Your Honor? I have nightmares. I have nightmares. This has been really detrimental and traumatic to me.
And that's why you're asking this court to give you $420,000 for pain and suffering.
Yes, Your Honor.
I see in the court documents, there's an explanation of your injury. You talked about the laceration and repair of your hand. Mm-hmm. Let's look at it. Now, based on this diagram, is that what your hand looked like?
Yes, Your Honor.
Before they repaired it?
Yes.
So when the sword came down and sliced your hand, it actually sliced the tendons inside your hand.
Correct, Your Honor.
That you use to control your finger.
Correct.
Okay. This diagram shows your hand repaired. Is that how your hand was repaired?
Yes, Your Honor.
And they had to stitch your tendons and then put sutures on the outside of your skin.
Correct.
That's what's under that brace.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you need that
I
hand
need
to take
that
care
hand.
of her.
Yes, yes.
Do you have to move her or do anything of that sort when you're caring for your daughter?
Absolutely, Your Honor. She's in a wheelchair.
So after you get the injury, then you still have to work, right?
I can't work the way I need to make ends meet, to provide, again, for myself, but mostly my daughter.
Can you use that hand?
No.
So
No,
you now
wait.
become a left-handed person.
Yeah, I mean, I have 3 fingers that will never have full range of motion again.
If you had to do this again, Mr. and Mrs. Moretti, would you tell your cleaner, look, we got some real objects
God is
on the
my
wall?
witness. If I had to do it again, I would say, don't catch swords. I would throw
No,
that
don't
in.
catch swords. I guess we need to redo our policy and procedure because it's just,
I guess,
maybe we need to.
Yeah,
You know, it seems to me that you all are not taking this as seriously
It
as
is
you
very
should.
serious,
This is
but-
a very serious injury to a single mom. Not only is her work
she
affected,
caused it.
listen to me, Miss Moretti.
Yes, sir.
Not only is she affected by doing a cleaner's job, but the more important job, the most important job in the world, being a mom, has been hindered. Don't y'all see that?
And our most
This is
important job
very
is
serious today,
the
folks.
safety of our
I
employees
feel
and our
terrible
customers.
about
I
that.
understand you've got a business to run. However, you've got some folks who are hurt and a really special mom that's hurt. I just want you to take that seriously.
Right, we've been
Regardless of
through
what you think
We
about
have-
the outcome
we
of
have
the
a
case.
lot of empathy for this. We truly do.
You all keep talking. Miss Moretti, you keep talking to me while I'm talking to you. I'm trying to make sure you all understand that we're not here over a paper cut. She might as well be missing that hand because she cannot help her baby. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, but
Yes.
the severity of the injury shouldn't determine responsibility.
Well, I appreciate
Right.
your analysis, but
for
the
that
but
amount
does
of
not
money-
interest me.
For that amount of money, though, that would shut us down. Our employees would be out of work.
Miss Moretti, I certainly understand that this has had an impact on everybody. I want you to show some heart. I will let you know whether you're legally responsible, but any human looking at Miss Fisher's plight has to see
but should we
that
be-
this. You're talking again with me.
Well, it's-
You're talking again with me.
Listen, Your Honor,
Honor,
I'm going to have order in this court, or you will go to jail.